Every time we're on TV, then DSTV is gone off. Every time we're on TV, YouTube is gone off. Why? What is this? Why don't they want people to hear what we are saying? Hey, they should stop that.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana STEM TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. But Otchere, one of the very, very vocal journalists. On the himself, a right-wing journalist. On fancy. On several occasions, he believes in the ideologies of the right-wing political party, MPP. But our show be our running on Metro TV Tuesdays and Thursdays and about 9 I call 11 2 hours. Our show be our hosting. Show no need Good Evening Ghana. Good Evening Ghana. Now sa Good Evening Ghana show no. Show be our obia nim say abaya was say no. Aye malami wani abaya no. Omumpe. Esan say ya Paul Adom mamu nim say na Otchere. Otimi fan sem no na akeka na adwen na mako research mu na mako ka say and I say then they will draw conclusions and uncofo be brave share sa show pa nko on YouTube on streaming on YouTube on streaming on Facebook after there on shows on Metro TV na Metro TV no on DSTV nso now something has been going on hard kakra. Assembly say for a while now it has been observed, though not proven, an allegation as well. Say anytime Paul Adom's show starting ube wan say omo YouTube benya asem ebia YouTube no kwa enko bio manase omo ntimi streaming and say Facebook enya technical issues some technical issues na say free omo there be strange happenings. Now worst case scenario no cry say afedie most of the time say Paul Otchere nkwan show be start here na DSTV hwim uko channel 2779 Metro TV omo channel minim na ba na say me pe Metro TV share pa e go DSTV so uko hwim e be say error is it 14 or 41 weather something bad weather uko abodi so ko share bad weather be.
Please let me take a short break and tell everyone that I'm complaining that every time I'm on TV, DSTV is gone off. Somehow, Sanate George, I'll come after you. Don't bring yourself. What is that? Every time we're on TV, DSTV is gone off. YouTube is gone off. DSTV is gone. What is wrong with you people? You don't want people to hear what we are saying? Stop that. The person you are calling the book Adnesa, did he turn off DSTV for people who are insulting him? We are teaching Ghanaians the history and you are afraid of the history. You are turning off the TV. What is that? Please, I take a short break. I'll be right back.
Anyhow, it's not cloudy, it's not windy, nothing. And then a Metro TV there, Good Morning Ghana and pa. Now Good Morning Ghana, one when we say Yanum, everything is fine. And you bring one Good Evening Ghana there, Jajereje. So Paul Otchere has been very, very angry. And he will full rough. I say some judge don't show ye. So one show ya, who will come after him. And Paul, we support this with 50 bags of cement. We all want you to come after some judge. Because, and you won't corner some judge the other way. And I say, see some judge be a minister, and I same way satisfy SCC. But Kaya Kachiche show for the records. Man, papa, we ye show no. Kase yera and we say, film, we free air. Or free air no, almost 3 weeks. And then, you think of be a hacky, Kachiche. You see the better so mu say afede ni area mu bia okacheche studio no. You see the network ni okra uko network so bad. Say go ako install jammers or what o. Yetimi kire. Now aban where are omo freedom of speech and expression ana. And at this same abana, ya arrest Otchere almost 3 times. Once he was picked up Once he went there, you see Obabi and baby. Adom. They are hunting after people. Mbeka so asana guy be MPP guy. Otchere rest well. Ewo Facebook. Akwachi no. Adom ya Otchere rest well. Ewo Facebook o. Rest well. Daye. What is wrong? Why are they so much bent on fighting against freedom of speech and expression in Ghana? Why are they so much bent on taking us back to the PNDC era, military rule? Meanwhile, we voted for you democratically. We voted for you democratically. The government that was in power lost. The party that was in power, they lost. And they handed over to you. Democratically. And the other thing. Madam Fubeka say, you're not saying anything. That statement they say, me dead, me dead, no. You see, Kakrapper say, you're not saying anything. Me catch you, say, me cheer bar off. But no, it's sad, it's bad. It's not a laughing matter. I say fancy cry. And yeah, because me cry I've been trying to stream on our YouTube platform. The Ghana SMTVGH you are watching right now. I've been trying to do a show. It was a platform we have no stream. Ebra kufa do power no. I'm network ni ye. Na MTN na ye papa power. Out me di utmin di ye bibia. I'm so after me koto tablenet, kan koto tablenet. Tablenet na mato ewie no. Oh. Se pray AC. For almost 2 months say I don't have stable internet to stream. Adom. Bonnie pain. Because someone say ebia me stream here, if I'm a boy about nature, and I said but that is the beauty of democracy. What didn't you people do to Akufo-Addo? You did worse. You said worse. But nobody had issues. This is one thing I don't understand. No one had issue when you guys were doing it. So why the attempt? Why the attempt to mute voices of reasoning? Why? This is not what we opted for. And Ghanaians must arise and speak and let the party in power and Malam Yohane know that boss, enough is enough. AyEka cry eye trasu. This has been a political rant with me, the voice, right now, right here on Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.